Let us learn 3 tips to be followed during any type of theoretical or entrance exams. Tip number 1, maintain silence. The silence will make your brain more energetic and powerful so that it can recollect whenever necessary. And tip number 2 is to do 1 minute meditation. So 1 minute takes nearly 25 breaths. One breathe in and breathe out will make a complete one breath and 25 breaths. This breathing, focusing on breath, will give you confidence level, or it will decrease your stress and it makes you soothe and cool. And the tip number 3, follow 3-round rule. In the first round, you just go through the paper once. Don't stuck in one question. In the second round, you go through the paper very carefully and read the question, every question carefully. And in the third round, mark the questions which you can write 100% or bubble in the 100%, and then you can rock it. Thank you.